Today's presentation is on Prana Mudra, Different Dimensions by Sri Samartha.
Salutations to all of you. Let me at the outset tell you about the sessions which I had already taken up and were uploaded in YouTube. Due to the technical flaw, those two episodes could not be continued to placed in the YouTube. Once again, those two sessions are taken up. As a part of it, today I am taking up the Mudra meditation in respect of first and foremost important, vital and Varishta Mudra called Prana Mudra. Before going to the details of Prana Mudra and related meditation part, let me explain very briefly about Prana. Prana is a form of breath. It works on two levels, one on individual level and another on cosmic level or universal level. Prana is taken to the body. The life force enters the body through thousands of nadis. There are 72,000 nadis which we cannot see and which we cannot find out through the medical equipments. Amongst these 72,000 subtle nadis, there are three important nadis. One is Ida, another is Pingala, and the third one is Sushumna. I am not going to discuss about these three important nadis, which I will be taking up in due course of time. However, the conscious energy takes place through the Prana Shakti, which passes through these three important nadis. Prana is a life force, as I have already told you, which works on individual as well as cosmic level, and it is governed by 5 elements: earth, fire, air, akash and water. Our human body is governed by these 5 elements. We call it as Panchabhutas, and also our body and its functioning, physical functioning as well as the cosmic functioning depends upon 5 Panchapranas. There are 10 pranas, in that 5 pranas are Varishta pranas and 5 are subsidiary pranas. These 5 Panchapranas, important pranas, along with Panchabhutas, governs the functioning of the physical body as well as the cosmic body. The elements which influences our body are represented by the fingers we have. We have normally 10 fingers in our hand. All the 5 fingers elements, the 5 important elements. This is fire, this is Vayu, air, this is Akash, and the ring finger is earth, and the little finger is the water element. Today's Prana Mudra governs, it forms, the mudra is going to be formed with the help of 3 fingers. First finger is fire, second finger is the water, and the third finger is the earth. By joining these 3 elements, these 3 fingers, gently pressing gently, this will reverberate the energy in the body. The reverberation will create a different type of energy dimensions within the body. This enhances the consciousness, removes the fatigue, improves self-confidence, improves concentration, and so many other functions, both on physical level and as well as the spiritual level. This important pranamudra need to be done by using our both hands. We should join the three fingers, three elements, namely fire, earth and water, and put these fingers, joining these fingers on our knees. The joined fingers should face upwards and remaining two fingers to be straight. Before taking up this mudra, we need to follow certain important procedures and also certain canons. We should have faith in ourselves, because it seems to be very simple, and at times we may doubt that this simple mudra, a posture or a ritual seal of energy, will it bring forth any plus points or any advantages in our body life? We may question ourselves. That is not so. It is one of the important scientific mudra which brings positive results both on physical level and also on the cosmic level or a spiritual level. Therefore, first we should have faith before practicing or resorting to this mudra meditation. Second important thing is we should relax ourselves completely. We should forget the past, live in the present, and also stop speculations of tomorrow and thereafter, at least during the time of doing this meditation. Living in the present brings you so much confidence and also the life force to do with the mudra. Before doing the mudra, we should be relaxed completely. Need to take deeper breaths. We will take 3 to 5 deeper breaths and gentler exhalations. We will start the mudra now. Sit in your comfortable posture, your back, neck and head in straight line. Close your eyes. Take deeper breaths. We'll take 5 deeper breaths and 5 exhalations gently so that we can relax more and more. We'll start now. Take deeper breath, closing your eyes. Exhale slowly, gently. Exhale and relax slowly and gently. Press the fingers very gently, don't use force. Inhale. Exhale slowly and gently. Two more times. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale and relax. Take a deep breath once again. Exhale slowly and gently. Resume to normal breathing. Slowly open your eyes. The life energy which needs to be stimulated, conserved, enhanced in our system. In order to get more relaxation, we will resume to the normal breathing. Keep your hands in the mudra posture. Press the fingers gently, don't press it more. Now you need to take the normal breaths, concentrate on the inhalation and exhalation, the sensations created by the inhalation and exhalation, and also the sensation created by pressing or joining your three elements, that is fire, water and earth. Once again, close your eyes, maintain the same posture, your back straight, head and neck straight. Close your eyes, resume to normal breathing. You need to concentrate on your breath. Feel the sensations of the normal breath, the inhalations and the exhalation, and also feel the sensations created by gently pressing your fingers, which represents three important elements: the fire element, the earth element and the water element. Breathe normally. Breathe normally. Feel the sensations of the inhalation and exhalation, and also feel the sensations of the joined fingers. and keep your hand facing upwards, the palms facing upwards. Relax more now. This Prana Mudra is one of the important mudras which brings positive energy. It's a proven mudra technique. We should have faith and confidence in the procedure we do. Normally, we can do this at the initial stages for 5 minutes, and we can increase so slowly to 10 minutes. You can follow these procedures and spend at least 5 to 10 minutes daily so that your fatigue will be reduced, your confidence will be increased, your pranic energy and conscious energy will be stimulated in the body, and your spiritual progress will be forthcoming by systematically following these procedures and practice it daily. In the next session, let me discuss on Apana Mudra. Till then, Namaskar.